Hi beautiful people, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you that how you can make the pop-up on your WordPress website using the Elementor Pro. So let me share my screen and show you that what we are going to cover in this tutorial step by step. So this is the website and we are going to add the pop-up in this website. So I have already installed Elementor Pro. So let me show you that how we can create the pop-up. And again, I'm telling that I have already installed the Elementor Pro in this website. So for this, you have to go here, WordPress dashboard. And as I have mentioned already that, again, I'm telling you that I have already installed the Elementor Pro. But if you have not yet installed the Elementor Pro, first you need to install an active Elementor Pro. Then what do you have to do? Just scroll down and here you will see the option underneath templates. Here is Elementor and under the Elementor there is option templates. So we're just going to click on add a new, and here we can create the different kind of the templates like the header and footer and the single product sections with the Elementor. So here we're going to choose option here, select it says, and here you can see that we can build so many things. So I will select here the pop-up, right? And for remembrance, you can give the template name. So maybe I will say the pop-up, same, yeah, here, the pop-up. And then I'm going to just click on create template, all right? And now we have, Elementor is just adding the section for us where we can build the pop-up. So here you can see it's also giving us the templates. So we can use all the templates to build the pop-up, and we're going to just edit all the things because there are ready-made pop-ups as well. But I'm going to create from the scratch. So I will just click on here on this X icon. And now here we have the widget area where we can build the pop-up. So this is all the area is given by the Elementor to create the pop-up. So here you can see that we have plus icon where we can select the container layout, and here you can see that we have already another option to from the folder, or we can ask to the AI to build it. But I will do the manually, so I will click on this pencil icon, and for this I will select the flex box, and I'm going to select this structure container because why I'm selecting this direction column. So whatever the text we're going to add our new column, it will go down. So I'm just going to click on this one, all right? And now I want to add here the image. So what I will do, I will go to the Elementor widget area here, and the Elementor panel section on the top, you will see this 9 dots. Just click on there, and now if I will scroll down all the way, here you will see the basic some options. Here says the image. So I will take this widget and going to drop over here. Simple. Perfect. You can see that we have added the image template there, the image widget. So now we're going to select the choose image from here, and now we can select the image from our from WordPress media where we have already uploaded the images. But we can also select from our PC or from wherever you want. But I have already downloaded, so I will just click on the upload and select a file. So I will add the image I have already downloaded. So I will scroll down all the way, and I'm just using this image. But you can use whatever the image you want to use for your pop-up, right? And once it's uploaded, and I just click onto the select, and now you will see that there is already a beautiful images added. Okay, so what next? Maybe if you want to play around with the image size, so just click onto the style, and here you can manage the image size already here, right? This like this. But actually I love the full width image, and yeah, I love that. But you can do more things, but actually I love that. So I'm just going to make it a full. and then we're going to add some sections underneath. So what I will do, I will click on to, if you want, you can do more the things like I'm going to show later on. If I'm just go again by clicking these 6 dots to go to the Elementor home panel, click there, and now I'm going to add the heading. So I'm just going to take this and just going to drop under the neat here. So now you can see all the direction, whatever the widgets we are adding, it goes down. So that's why we selected the column, the container which had the settings to go by down direction. So whatever we adding other widgets, it will go the down. So so I have already here add the text. So let's add some of our text by removing this one, and I'm just adding this one. I think sign up for monthly updates, new styles added, discount, and upcoming event, right? But you can write whatever you want. Then I will go to the style, and then I'm just going to click on this alignment. So I just want to make these, all the text should be centered, right? And now you can see that text are a little bit more bigger. So how we can just make it a little bit more similar. For this, we can see here in style, if we look at these settings, you will see here option, it has the typography. And here, this is the pencil icon. Just we're going to click on that one. Now we see that the font family, we can change the font family as well. So for this, maybe I'm just not using the Roboto, but Montserrat actually. So whatever the text family you want to use, you can select from here. So I'm just going to use the Montserrat, right? And yeah, it looks good. And now here you can see the size of the text. So I'm just going to make 21 and like this, I think. Yeah, it looks much better. Then if you want to play around with more, you can see the weight here option. Is the weight, that how text weight should be, like the more bold or should be normal. Here you can see the thin like this. If I select the extra light like this, then if I select the normal, it's the medium. So normal like this. This is how it's going to look, the normal. But I just want to make the medium like this one, I think. Yeah, it looks much better. So, right? And yeah, I think it's good. But what you can do, just click on this pencil icon, right? And go to the advanced and click on to this value, link values together. So I'm just going to give the pending from the left to right, this one. So I'm just going to do 50 from the left, 50 to right. So now you can see that we have some pending. Now it looks much better. Okay, again, I will go by click these 6 dots to go back to Elementor home panel where we can take more widgets. So I'm just click on this one, and now you can see that we are already back to Elementor home widget area. So I will scroll down, and now I want to add the subscribe button where people put the email and the button. So at the top, I can search directly the form. Here on the top, you will see the search area. So I just go right here, form, FORM, form. Here you can see that we got the search form or this form. So we're going to take this form. So I will take this and going to drop underneath here. Boom. Now you can see that we have the more areas, the field that people can add, but we just want to take only email. So what if you want, you can keep the name, or if you want, you can add a new item, like whatever you want. So what I will do, I just take the message, and yeah, I don't want to be there the name, so I will just take the email. So yeah, this looks good. So for the email on the top, there is the email. So I just want to just take off where is given the title email. So what I will do, I just click on this email, and here says the label. So I'm just going to take off this label on the top. So there will be only email here. We can see that. Nice. And if I just click on this pencil icon again, and now what I want to do, I will go to here to style. And in the style, I just want to make the button color. So I will just, and here you will see there is email. I think this looks good. So, but if you want to play around with more settings, you can do here, do the column gap, rows gap, and a label, a spacing, and the text color, right? So maybe I just want to make it the text color. I think, let me see. I think text color, I just want to make the black. There is already, I think, right? We scroll down all the way. Here's the field, and in the field, we just want to make it like the color. It should be like my favorite color, like this. Okay, so but I want to make it a black, so I will go with the black, and scroll down. Here you will see the button, so I'm just going to click on the button, and here you says the background button color. So definitely I just going to change the background to my favorite one, like this one. And yeah, if someone is going to hover over, right, I just click on the hover over and go to the background color. And now I just want to make it like this one, and little bit I will just make it dark, so like this. Okay, it looks good. It looks good. Okay, yeah, I think it looks good, but you can see it's taking much space from the top to bottom, so we can adjust these things. So I just click on this on the top, the section here on the 6 dots, right? Then I will go play around with the min height, and you can see it is not actually working min height, right? So for this, what we have to do, I will click on this again to the pencil icon, and I will go to the image style here. I am already there, so I will play around with the height of the image like this one, right? And then if I click on this pencil icon, and yeah, I think it looks good, but I just want to make the whole okay, it's just the, so go in the history and click on to the width here, so we're going to get back everything like this, right? And yeah, I think this looks much cool, but definitely I just want to take this all should be the full out. So for this, maybe what I can do, I think I should to click on this one to go to the again here, and maybe I just want to play around with this one. I think it looks good like this, and no, it looks much bigger. Okay, so like this, I think it looks, I think, more cleaner, right? And here, if I click on this pencil icon, I will go to the advanced and then click on to this pending, and I will make the 50 from left, right, and 50 to left. So like this, so we have the more space like this one. But in the bottom also, I just want to give some pending. So what I will do, just click, I will add the pending in the bottom, maybe the 30. The 20 will be good, I think, right? And I think that's it. But if you want to play around with the more settings here all the way, you can do that. If I click on here to this settings, I think I go to this one because I have added image here, so that's why it's not taking more. I think it's not taking the more widgets. So if I click on this one to this thing and go to the style, and I just want to fill out this all information. So what I will do, just click on this one, and I'm just going to delete this image, right? Now there is no image, so if I'm just going to click on this X icon, right? And now you can see that we have no image. Let me see that. Okay, so what I will do, I will click on this 6 dots again, and now I'm on the style, and I will select here the classic. Just click on the classic, and here you can select the choose the image. And now I'm going to select this image, click on select. Now you see that we have this kind of the information, like I want to make it this image to position the center, and display size, I just want to make it the cover, and maybe I just want to make it the content, and I say yeah, I think the cover is right, like this. And but we can do all other things as well, but you can see this is how the things can be worked, you can design. But yeah, so I click on again the 6 dots, and I will go back to delete this image, right? And now I will be here again, and I will choose the image, and I'm going to add the image and select. So we can play around always with the other settings. Whatever settings you like, you can do that. So maybe I just want to play around with more to do like this. I think it looks like this, right? And yeah, once it's done, make sure click on this responsive mode, and let's see how it looks on the actually in the tablet version. So this is how it looks on the tablet, right? It's good. If I click on the mobile, so this is how it looks on the mobile. Everything is good, but let's we select on the text to resize it. So click on this pencil icon and go to the style and go to the typography, and here we can play around with that text. So maybe I just want to make it 60 at least, right? Then go to the advanced and unlike these all values like this, so it looks much clean. But here you can see that we maybe need to fix this one as well. So go to here and click on unlinking this to gather values, right? And then maybe we can want to give the from left to right maybe 30 and right 30 like this. Okay, so it looks cool. Then I go to the image section here and I will make it the full width like this. So this is how it looks on mobile, the pop-up. Okay, just click on the desktop version again, and once it's done, just make sure to click on the publish. And once it's the publish, then you will see this settings, publish settings. So how you want to make the pop-up to comes up website. So you can add the different conditions with the triggers. So if I click onto the here, you can see the condition applies, template, these pages, triggers, and advanced rules. So I will click on add condition, and now I say I just want to I just want to add an entire website, but I want to add the pop-up only for the home page, let's say for the entire site, right? Entire site. But we can do the archive, and in the archive we can select the different pages with the tags. And if I click on the singular, and then here you can see that we can select with the pages. Like I click onto the pages, and then here we're going to select like the home. If I select the home, so the pop-up should to come on only in the home page. So I'm just going to click on the home. So singular, so it will be only on the pages, and there will be only the home page, right? And click on next. And here it says on page load, how do you want the pop-up should comes up? So it says on page load when you're going to give some time, like if I click onto the on page, click on the settings, and when how much you want to let the people pop-up comes up when on page is loading. So you can do that as well. And here you can see the scroll, click, and other things. So what I will do, I just want to make after the 3 seconds, I think will be fine. Maybe the 5 seconds are good, I think. So I just want to let the people, the pop-ups comes up after the 5 seconds, right? Then click on next. And here you can see the show after X pages views. You can also do some advanced rules that if people visited 3-4 pages and you want to let them to see the pop-up, and show after X sessions, show up to X times. So yeah, you can do as much as you want. Okay, there are so many things, but I will go with that one. I'm not just activating all the stuff. Just click on save and close, right? So now it's published. And now if I just click on to these doors on the top and click on to the exit, right? So now I am home page of my website. So let me show you how pop-ups works. So let me to copy this URL, and I'm just going to open in another tab. So now I'm visiting a website, and now you can see that website is loading. And then if I scroll down, and we're going to stay for the 5 seconds, boom. Now you can see how the pop-ups comes up after the 5 seconds. And if someone is going to fill out the information like whatever they want, click on the test.com and click on send. So pop-up will be automatically submit, right? So this is how you can create a pop-up with Elementor Pro, and just click on X. I think that's it. It was super easy to do. And if you are new on my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe my channel. And if you want I build and design for you WordPress website, then just go to the rajasain.com, and here you can contact me to build the website for you. Have built so many websites and grow hundreds of the people to grow their business online. And yeah, if you scroll down all the way, you can read out feedback from the people from all the over the world. Yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye in another.